Hello everyone. I did your Amazon listing got suppressed and you're losing sales. In this video, I'll show you six common errors why listing gets suppressed and how to reinstate them easily and reinstate your sales and make it continuous. If you want to discuss any listing suppression, so you can put it in comments and I can chat with you over there. What are the six common errors of Amazon listings? Let's discuss that. First error is sometimes your bullet points are missing. You have wrong image type, price suppression, category not set, product type conflict, and listing hidden from catalog. Let me explain why. First point is missing bullet points. Amazon gives you nowadays they gives you option of six bullet points. Previously there were five bullet points, but you need to at least add five bullet points in your listing so that it will not get suppressed. Sometimes what happen is you created a listing, you just updated your listing by a flat file, and when you submitted the file, the bullet points got disappeared. Like you see in the image example, here you see only one bullet point and the rest of the four are disappeared. But in the sheet or in our other listings, we have all the five bullet points already in there. So in this case, Amazon will mark it suppressed, or Amazon will mark it, you can say, cannot show it to more customers. Your sales will drop. Sometimes the listing will not say that it is suppressed, but your sales start to decline. Then you need to find out that what's the issue, and you found out that the bullet points are missing. So listing is incomplete. So what you need to do, you need to go to the edit listing. Like on top right, you can click three dots next to the listing on the top right side, and then you can click edit, and then in the description part you'll put five bullet points. Okay, so while writing the bullet points, you need to be very careful that you do not need to repeat keywords. Like for example, pool and pool, or sometimes any other keyword which you try to repeat. So the repeated keywords, they does not, you can say, push your listing, they push it back. They do not push it forward, push it back. So try to, you can say, write a line in such a way that one keyword can be used at one time but with a meaningful way. So you can include in the bullet points very short and concise the main features and benefits of customer. If a customer comes in and he is not reading anything, he can read just the five bullet points and he knows what he will get. Another reason why the bullet point can be disappeared is when you create your EBC pages, you update it in the listings, and when you push update, Amazon system, Amazon algorithm, or Amazon bots try to embed that page to your listings, and sometimes they just, you can say, misses the data and your listing can get bullet points removed. So this was first issue. So second issue is wrong image type. So what people do normally, like you can see in the right image, there is this is our product and there's a white background. So normally what people do, if they're selling, let's say, a pack of 2 or pack of 12 or pack of 3 or pack of 2, so what they do is they just put a pack of 12 in the listing, you can say, top banner, or you can put a word which says pack of 12 in the main image, and Amazon reject it because Amazon has a very very simple policy. You only had to place a white background image with no text overlays, so there should be no text on the image, just a white background. So, in case when your image got pressed, what you need to do, you need to just replace the image with a simple white background image. Like I have given you an example on your left, if you see that there's a pink cube with a pink background. So, this image is not acceptable. On the right hand side, there's a product with a white background that is acceptable. And the lifestyle images, those cannot be presented like upfront. Those should be like second, third, and fourth image. So this was about the wrong image type. Now moving on to the next one. So our next issue here is price error suppression. Okay, so on Amazon there is an average price, there is a low price, and there is a maximum price for each product you sell. Let's say, for example, you see in the screenshot there's a product which is a Comfy Cove, It's a chefing fuel set, like you can say little burners which you used on in parties. So the average market price of this product is around like 7, 8, $9, and the maximum price is around like $40. So if I reduce the price below $8, if I increase the price above $40, this will get pressed. See, I have reduced the price to $1, and it shows you that the price there is a pricing error, because Amazon system does not accept such low prices for such products. So that is why, to maintain a standard marketplace, they have placed placeholders minimum and maximum. So we need to be in between that. When I raise the price to 26.99, which was our standard price, this listing will get reinstated. So sometimes accidentally, if you just click something, or if you try to, you can say, generate more sales by lowering your price to a big maximum point. So you need to do it using the sales method, not just, you can say, changing price directly. If you change price directly, your listing will get suppressed and you will lose more sales rather than gaining it. So whenever this happens, just adjust the price to the competitive range and check minimum and maximum price settings. Sometimes the automated settings and automated price rules affect it. So that's why you need to remove automated rules, if any. Next is the category not set. Sometimes when you do update with like flat files, your category got missed, which we called as browse nodes. Your nodes got missed. So how you can see that your browse node is mixed? When you open the listing in Amazon, then you will see a complete detail on top, near to the title. You will see that it is mentioning a complete category, like all type of category: main category, major category, niche category, and then sub niche category. But when your listing is not showing that major, niche, and sub niche category, and then below in the item details, below description part, you also do not see the category, it means that your browse node is broken. So in that case, your listing is not showing to anyone, it is just showing to you. You can see the page, but nobody else is seeing it, and it is going down, down, and down. So in that case, the listing is in suppression. So immediately, what you need to do, you need to open a case and tell them that your browse node is missing, please find it or fix it with the listing. It happens due to flat files. Sometimes it happens due to bug in Amazon system. You update a listing and it got bugged by the bots, and your category got disturbed. So other method, like the attempt you can made is, you can go to the edit product, you can select the category you want, assign correct category, and then you can save. You can wait 30 minutes to see that if it is reindexed. If it is reindexed automatically, otherwise you need to follow the case method which I explained earlier. Number 5 is product type conflict. So product type and category, that should be matched. If it is incompatible, then it is the listing will again get suppressed. Like for example, you have a blender and your listing is listed as kitchen accessory. Like you're selling a blender that's electronics, and you are listing is as kitchen accessory, so it is a suppression. Clear cut suppression: the blender should go to electronics, like household appliances, rather than it goes as kitchen accessory, because kitchen accessories are spatulas, spoon, like that. So whenever you list a product, you should go according to a, you can say, relevant or a direct category. For example, I'm going to list a tumbler. So I'm going to list a tumbler in water bottles and tumblers category. I'm not going to list a tumbler in kitchen utensils, because that is not the correct category, and it will get the conflict and listing gets suppressed. So you can also check Amazon product type guide, and they explain like with examples which category suits for which kind of products. So you can match your product with the exact category by reading over there. So the next issue is listing hidden from catalog. Okay, so there are some categories or like some type of products which need special, you can say, approvals to list, or they have some specific words or keywords or anything by which the listing get, you can say, suspended, or the listing gets blocked due to that word. So these kind of products, they got hidden in your catalog, they're not searchable by anyone, even you on your detail page. So you need to check your inventory status daily and weekly, and then you need to fix the issues if you have any issue with any of your listing. Like for example, I created a new listing last day. So this product is a pool chemical. This product is used to clean pools, like it's a powdered form granule which you put in the pool and get it cleaned. So I created a new listing and it needs EPA certification and it's lies in pesticide category, so need SDS. So listing got immediately blocked, and now I'm fighting the case with Amazon and provided all the details, our EPA registration number, and then our pesticide SDS. After they will check and verify with product information, like page information, I provide them title, description, everything. When they check it carefully with that, then they will get it reinstated, otherwise it will get blocked. Thank you so much for watching the video. You can post your comments in the comment section. You need to subscribe my channel for more videos. Also, please mention what type of suppression you are facing and on which type of suppression you need help. I will make a detailed video according to that and show you a real example or help you to fix it. Have a good day. See you in our next video. Thank you.